A dozen House Democrats who were stopped from visiting immigration detention facilities are now suing the Trump administration. The group argues that a new Department of Homeland Security policy limiting lawmakers' access by requiring them to provide a week's notice for any visit is illegal, and it infringes on their ability to conduct congressional oversight. Joining us now, Democratic Congressman Dan Goldman of New York. He is one of the dozen Democrats seeking to have the new ICE guidance on congressional visits dismissed. The congressman, also a member of the House Oversight and Homeland Security Committees. Congressman, good to see you this morning. Thank you for joining us. Let's start by talking about your experiences when you tried to visit an ICE detention center and the reasons behind this lawsuit.
Sure. In my district, right in downtown Manhattan, is a large ICE facility where we had been getting reports that immigrants were being detained, nonviolent, non-criminal immigrants were being detained for days and days at a time in facilities that had no beds, no showers, very little medical care, very little food. And given those reports, I went to conduct congressional oversight of the executive branch, as I have to do as part of my work on my two committees. And I was refused entry on the bogus notion that they were not actually detention facilities, even though immigrants were being held there for days and days at a time. The ICE spokesperson then completely discredited or tried to discredit the reports that we had, and video then came out showing that the witnesses I spoke to were exactly right, and yet they are refusing to allow us in there to see what the conditions are. And you mentioned these $50,000 bonuses. This mega bill, this big ugly bill, gave ICE $45 billion for detention. So they are treating these immigrants worse than criminals would be treated, and they aren't letting us in to do the congressional oversight that we not only must do as part of the Constitution, but in this particular case, there's actually a specific law that allows us to do this oversight, which they're just not allowing us to do. So that's why we're going to court.
Congressman, are you seeing any sort of on-the-ground macro impact out in the district you represent of the immigration, I guess you could call it roundup, although I'm unclear about the total volume of it? Do people have a sense of their neighbors, their employees being hustled away by masked agents and thrown into detention in a way that is felt day to day in the community?
Oh, absolutely. I have a large immigrant community in my district, but it's not just the immigrant community that is very upset with these masked, unidentified agents whisking immigrants out of their court appearances where they are going to pursue legal pathways to immigrate and being detained and held in poor conditions for days and days, then sent down to Texas or Louisiana to be deported with almost no due process. They're bringing in people who have legal visas and green cards. It's a massive, massive dragnet that is exactly the opposite of what Donald Trump promised, which is that he would go after convicted criminals. And we Democrats, I certainly agree that we should remove convicted criminals, but that's not what this is. And I do have to disagree with David a little bit. There's a huge difference in border security policy and going after nonviolent, non-criminal immigrants appearing in court with masked agents and whisking them away without any ability to talk to a lawyer or without due process. That is something felt not just by the immigrant communities in my district. There's outrage throughout my district at these kind of tactics.
Congressman, that resonance, though, that outrage, it's interesting to hear your perspective because the principle of this seems quite clear to me. You've articulated it well. The other issue you've been on top of since May has been pushing Pam Bondi, the Attorney General, to release more of the Epstein files, which seems to have an efficacy politically that is so much more obvious to a general population. What has your perspective been on just the experience of balancing one issue on the principle, the ICE issue, versus this other one, and why you consider two of them in parallel is a strategy worth pursuing?
Yeah, look, I mean, I think my work shows you can walk and chew gum at the same time. Back in May, as you pointed out, I wrote to Pam Bondi asking whether Donald Trump had been directing her to conceal the Epstein files, and it now appears that that's right. I've also introduced a bill called the No Secret Police Act to unmask ICE. And the point is that we can't just do one thing, nor should we just do one thing. All of this is really, really dangerous for both different but similar reasons. And the similar reasons is the complete abuse of power by this administration across the board. You see it with ICE. You see it with the Homeland Security. This just complete disregard for the law in this case. And then you see it with Pam Bondi and the Department of Justice, which is effectively now a political arm of Donald Trump. Pam Bondi, Todd Blanche, the Deputy Attorney General, are literally acting at the direction of Donald Trump, not for the interests of the American people or for our justice system or for democracy or for the rule of law, but just for Donald Trump's personal interests. And there's clearly a cover up here. And that's what the American people sense, is that there was full transparency. Everybody said that all the files should be released. And then Donald Trump learned that his name was in them and perhaps more. And all of a sudden, no transparency. And they're gaslighting the American people with this grand jury testimony and these interviews of Ghislaine Maxwell. The evidence is there. It has been redacted. It is ready to be distributed, is ready to be released. All they need is Pam Bondi to say the word, but she's only acting at Donald Trump's direction, and he's trying to cover up his own involvement, whatever that was, in the Epstein trafficking ring.